Hi everyone, welcome back to Jolie Knots. I'm Crystal, and today we are going to be making these adorable little notepads or notebooks to place wherever you need, just out of your big bin of scraps. Whatever kind of scraps or trash or papers that looked kind of cute that you were going to use in a project, maybe offcuts. This is just a way that we can recycle and either toss them in our purse to take notes on them if we want to leave a shopping list, maybe messages by the phone, just a simple little way to be able to use up your scraps and your trash. Make notebooks that cost nothing. Maybe put compliments on it for a friend or your significant other, and you can give it to them once it's full. Something like that. What I've done here is all of these, even this word example, is part of a piece of bag. And this one I sewed with the sewing machine. So you can either sew it with the sewing machine or you can staple it with a stapler. And that's what I've done here, is with the stapler and the sewing machine. You can leave straight edges. You can cut it off and make it a little nice and neat if you want. You can mix it up with book pages, little offcuts that you had of, pages that you just didn't want to throw it away. Just magazine pages, just different things that you didn't use in your projects. Okay, so the only thing, like I said, that we are going to use is a stapler. I am going to distress the edges of these, but you do not have to. So all you need is trash and a stapler, really. That's it. Bind them however you want, unless you want to close it or something. But go ahead and grab all your stuff and let's see what we can make out of it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is just pull some scraps out. Try and maybe get them similar in size. So maybe that won't necessarily work. This might work for one that we do like long ways. That could. This is a little bit too small. This one might work for this. More scraps. I'll just be writing on the back of these. That's all we're doing really, is just going through all these scraps that we have and creating piles of similar sizes. I went out of town this last weekend for my birthday, and I brought several of these with me, and they turned out fantastic. Like when we needed to run to the store to just write our list down, to write down the score of playing games. It was perfect for our little scoring notepads. So there's so many different ways that you can use this. So we're going like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe like 5 or 6 pages. I mean, however big you really want to make it. I find that if you go a little bit too fat, it's kind of hard to keep it closed. So 5 or 6 is probably your max, unless you're going to try and put some sort of closure. And so when I'm putting these together, I'm just using a stapler. I did do some sewing on a few of them. So you can sew it if you like, and then, or you can staple it. And these staples are just a regular stapler, but I got colored staples. So you can make it a little bit funner, even though we're just using the stapler. Oops. So once we get it together, make sure everything's all situated. And then we're going to staple so that the back, the pretty side of the stapler, or the staple, is on the outside. And then that's it. You can put as many staples as you like. And then there we have it. Super, super easy. And then I just like, since it's just literally a bunch of trash. I like to distress the edges and kind of, you know, make it look a little bit more vintage type. And so of course you can put like, you know, grocery lists, you can just little notes, messages, whatever kind of things that you use, you know, your little notepads for. So just keep one in my purse, keep one on the desk. You could do like your little to-do list if you want. Let's make another little baby one like this. And I love how fun these are and how you can just go through so many of like your scrap papers and you don't have to really think about what exactly you're going to do with them. Some of the pretty things that maybe you've kept from books, you know, they'll make like a little nice cute little cover, so at least it's something a little bit more. Let's cut that one in half, and then we've got extra pages. Let's make a cute little cover for this one. I like all the mismatch in this, so let's make a cute little cover where everything's kind of just hanging out. Oh, look, that would be even cute. Even if you have a little cutout, you can put the little cutout on it. Let's see if this stapler can get deep enough on this. So they can be fun, all different colors and sizes. You can just tuck them in little pockets of like your journals or your notebooks. Always misplace little pads, but this just seems like it's a fun, cute little way to use up some of your scraps and just to make it look a little bit vintagey and scrappy and something you already have at home. Maybe you want to use your junk mail, stuff you don't want to throw away. An easy way, you know, we just grab trash pieces of paper to jot on the side of it. So I thought this would just be a really fun, cute little book. And so there we go. Just in a matter of a few minutes, we have created 2 full books just from scraps. So I really like these. I just like that it's fun. Maybe you want to take something with you to an event and just jot down a few things or gift ideas or something like that, and shove it in your purse or journal or even in the trash. Maybe you don't even want to keep it. Maybe you just need something to write stuff down and throw it away. And a little bit of housekeeping before I let you guys go. I'm going to go ahead and continue making this, and I'll fast forward some more ideas throughout on the screen. But I really would love to say thank you so much for joining me and watching my videos. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends, hit the notification bell so you can get notified when new content comes out. And I really appreciate all of you guys being here. See you next time.